Hi, this is a critical battery and someone already tried to fix it. And due to excessive heating, the plate is destroyed. Look here, here. No more copper conductors to solder the connector to. That's why I made a new inner part of the RCA connector. This one is old, this one is new, with a thread inside to put like this here, and a little screw, and this part. I also made new textolite isolators with high tolerances. This one inside to stabilize this part, and this one for outside. I will glue this one to this. I glued everything together, and I will try to put everything together, and I hope the battery will work properly at the end. Okay, this is finished part. And I need to put everything together. This is what we got at the end. See? I already repaired 2 more batteries. That's the weak spot for them. That's all. Thanks for watching.